Our first judge. From Team Blended, a proud Tagomania based in Berlin, Germany, is a renowned YouTube content creator and digital influencer, known for her content on daily lifestyle, beauty, fashion, motivation, and entertainment. With a growing audience of 309,000 subscribers and millions of views, she has built an influential platform that inspires and empowers individuals worldwide. Through her engaging and insightful content, she has collaborated with top brands, featured inspiring stories, and contributed to the fashion, beauty, self-growth, and product review industries. She believes in the power of authenticity, creativity, and confidence, qualities that define a true queen. As a judge, she is excited to bring a fresh perspective, a keen eye for talent, and a passion for empowering individuals on their journey to success. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Miss Stephanie May Lasha.
Diet. Nag-vlog si Ma. Hi, good morning. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina umaga. Pero andito na po ko ngayon sa salon kay magpa-retoke tayo ng... Retoke ba tawag? Hindi magpakilay. Yung microblading na kilay. Tapos may ni-follow ako na napagaling niya. Ginagawa niya kombi. Ay, okay, paano ko beef? Kaklase ko before and then nakita ko siya dito. Siya na pala yung may-ari. Ha?
Bapak kayong buhok, no? Di pa kulot mo ni?
Na, wala. Uy, wala. Dili man eh, guwapo na. Dry man kayo di.
Huwag ka plano magpabuho?
Magbabuho ko pero hindi human nagliyog dagat. Kaya nadaot.
Pero saan kang balik di ay?
Next week. Yeah. Start namin. I'm home, guys. Pagdating ko dito, may order pala siya sa Shopee. Puti pa siya order ng order. Hala, ano kaya yan? Bakit mahal?
Kuan, sambay mina beauty product.
Ako ang mag-deliver.
Binuko. Ayan, meron po tayong binili kanina na maraming, sinili ka ng turon, saging, tas grabe kasi kuya, akong gusto paliton nga, ang gusto kong bilhin na, bibili ako ng guava, bayabas, isa lang. Tatuhin mo na, 120 lang, 120. Sabi ko, sige kuya. I-ani mo na. 220 lang, 220. Makalas ka na. O sige kuya, go. Ano mo ng papaya. Parami to. Naging 5 kilos. Tara guys. This is the product of Kim Morales. Kita ni mo? Pakilay kung lip blush. Pero medyo masakit pa siya ba? Normal lang to. Pero normal lang po siya na medyo mag-ano siya, hubag-hubag kunti.
Uy, gwapo kayo. Kim Morales, worth it yun.
Wala, worth it daw, Kim Morales. Thank you, Kim. Buutan pa siya
Sikat siya, sikat siya sa Tagum.
Kailan siya ni Ken?
Oh!
First ni. Upo na siya. Ngayon pa nagising. Joke lang. Ari! Nag-crave din po ako nitong turon. Turon, tapos naghang kaayo do. May naghilak. Pero guys, lagi ka dami. Init ba? Ayan. Ano sa tawag ani? Saan gusto? Kapay saging. Yan! Tingnan nyo guys. Yan, ito Ito po yung binili ko. Grabe, ang sarap. Nakakamiss. At saka itong sa street food natin na ang tawag ani? Kanang ito din yung masarap. Ito yung masarap din na pancake. Pancake ba ni Jai? Ito ano? Hot cake. Yan. Ito kinakain namin yung high school pa kami. Mga bata kami. Nag-eskwela, estudyante. Merong turon. Merong saging. Merong ang tagani ka ng kamote Q. Hot cake. Tapos bayabas. Woo! Kain. We are in McDonald's now and Arya is eating. But we have chicken nuggets and french fries. Date po muna kami. Ang sarap po ng coffee nila dito. Ang organic na coffee. Pinas na Pinas kasi meron po silang coffee creamer. Coffee creamer, sugar. Oy. Super busy my baby eating french fries. Do you like here in Philippines? Huh? Are you happy here?
Sweaty.
Sweaty? Because it's hot. Right? So sweaty. What else? You don't really like sweaty? It's so hot, huh? You're always sweating. What else? Box medicine? Oh my goodness. When we go there, we buy you some. Hi! Andito po kami ngayon sa flyover Tagum. Magtabok eh. Nakatakot kasi walang signal light. The ampel is not working. Maglingi-lingi lang taan ni Arya. Saan ka? Malagat na lang ka. Sakta, nahadlok sa bukoy. Ayan. Hi, salamat sa patrol. Barangay patrol. Are you okay? Ayan. Thank you. Nandito na kami. Super late kami. Ako na lang sa ha? Ako na lang paano. Salamat. Dito na po tayo. Okay lang ba mag-video ko? Okay lang? Ay, dili ka nang karoon nga. Vlog ko ba? Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Theater Hall sa Tagum City. kami ni Arya. Nakalimutan ko na kung saan yung theater hall dito. Akala namin doon sa kabila sa City Hall, sa Apocon. Kaya na-late po kami. Ang call time is 1:30. Nakarating kami ng 1:45. So, super late. But, Arya is with me. Paano na ito mamaya? Wala siyang kasama. Ako lang. Ewan ko na sana si Sandy. So, teka. Dito po kami naghintay sa waiting hall. Kasama po ang iba pang mga judges. Hi! At nakabili po tayo ng outfit ni Arya. Show your outfit lang ga. Wow! Can you walk there also? Ay, she's shy. Ayan. Dito lang kain ko. Your sandal. So, wala pa po. Hindi pa po nag-start. Yan. Very supportive. Kasama ko ngayon si Sandy. Thank you. Guwapo ko eh.
May hapon sa tanan. Mo din ang atong combination. Nakabutang ng pista sa ito ang pakita nila nakabutang na.
Performers and laborers lang kung saan nila. Because when we say technique, it's school. Bro. The whole thing is school. Technique is school. Then suitability, it depends on the performers performance. So bahala ng Diyos. Let's start. Bahala na si Batman.
Si Arya.
Ay, no, water.
Ay, mag-provide ra sila.
Start po po the talent competition in Tago. Pinipinig Tago. Ito mo dala water? Pwede na siya i-bilin na rin. Para ma-secure siya.
Gigo. Gani, no? Ay, ikaw, honor. Wow. Kung nakita natin ka sa school, kato na judge, sa Baita, sa may terminal na school. Ay, ikaw ang honor. Ikaw day si Ma'am Skinella. Kuyawa, uy. Kabongga sa mga kauban ni mo, Mads.
Ma'am,
Dili, uy, guwapa kay tig-video lang ko ninyo. Ayo, tig-video ra ko ninyo. Ay, ngit na, Mads.
I am here today
Sagrira.
not just to share my story, but to challenge the narrow beauty standard that the society imposed upon us. Let's redefine beauty. Let's create a world where every woman are feeling beautiful, empowered, and worthy of love just as she is. Because beauty should never be based on a physical appearance. It should be the kindness of the heart and how you treat other people. That's the true beauty. From Magupo South, this is Micaela Allen Pilaes, proudly to say your biggest binibining tagong.
Ladies and gentlemen, to formally start our event this afternoon, may I request everyone to please stand for a prayer to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and Tagong Mabuhay Ka March. Mabuhay!
Pero hindi ako place where traditions, nature, and people create a story worth sharing.
Where culture and tradition meets modernity and continuous growth. I am Joanna Galino, your Binibining Tago, representing Barangay San Miguel. Leadership isn't about gender, it's about performance. You want to know real pressure? Trying to prove every day that a woman is worth more than what people think. So, let's be real. People just say more when it comes to leadership. That's the problem. You're not waiting for me to fail. You're afraid I might succeed.
Wala ka mo magka-experience with the previous CEO?
Then, it's time for a change. Women isn't just meant to stay at home. Women isn't just meant to follow. A woman has the right to stand, to act, and to lead. Oo, babae ako, pero dili babae lang.
is who meant to be. This
Just not ruin the serenity of the coastal area, but it also ruined the natural underwater. And that's why I advocate for Project Blue. My hope is also to help the coastal area to have cleaner coastal area in order to boost the tourism industry in our barangay. Implementing Project Blue.
Barangay Caloocan. Assalamualaikum. Mariyang, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Today, we celebrate significant meaning of our identity.
Ang sa kabagan sa panahon, nilakap ang mga tao sa ilang pinutuban.
But when the voiceless raise and defend themselves, they show us the true meaning of courage. Tonight, I share the story of a deaf woman who refused to remain a victim, a story that echoes the silent struggles of many in our community. Let us protect, empower, and uplift those most vulnerable. Together, we can create a community where no one is silent, no one is forgotten, and harmony truly prevails. Maraming salamat po.
Baby, can't you see I'm calling?
Who is it?
I'm cruel.
design students had created fashionable outfits made from thrifted clothes, showcasing their
This is your Binibining Apokon, inviting you all to come and join us this March 1, 2025, Saturday at City Hall HU for the Grand Coronation Night, as we will finally crown our new queen. We'll see you there! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for Binibining Tago 2025. Congratulations, Binibinis! Magkita-kita tayo.
Natapos na po ang talent competition. Si Arya kanina nakatulog. Yun, pinakuha ko sa aking brother, kay Lawrence. At nagpapasalamat ako. Grabe yung effort ng aking friend na si Sandy. Andyan talaga siya simula sa from the beginning no nag-start ang program hanggang matapos. Sinamahan niya tayo kahit hindi siya nakasundo sa kanyang mga anak. Siguro nag-ask siya ng favor sa kanyang sa yaya ng mga anak para sunduin yung mga anak niya. Kaya grabe yung effort talaga. Siya po ang may-ari ng Affordables, huwag po natin kalimutan, in front of Gaisano Center, Tagum. Diyan po ang Affordables. Siya po ang may-ari, kaya please support my friend Sandy. Final competition ng Binibining Tagum ay ngayong March 1, pero unfortunately hindi tayo maka-attend dahil nakabook na po ako ng family outing natin. Hindi na po kasi yung natitirang weekend natin dito sa Philippines. Kaya sayang hindi ako maka-attend, pero okay lang po yan kasi family first po muna tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Ma'am Uy, Ma'am Alma Uy, kay Ate Chingay. Kundi dahil sa iyo Ate Chingay, salamat po. Ang director ng CCP, salamat dahil sa iyo na nakilala tayo ni Ma'am Alma Uy at nasali tayo sa one of the judges dito po sa Binibining Tagum. Yeah. Sige, go. So, thank you so much, Mads. Thank you sa time and effort. Ayan. Formal kayo. Paulit namin. Kami na lang nabili.